So let's start DD India Global today with the celebration of an ancient Indian practice, one that unites the body, mind and soul, yoga. It unites the world as well. Whether practiced individually or in a group setting, yoga offers a sanctuary for personal growth and spiritual renewal, making it a valuable tool for improving overall well-being in our modern, hectic lives. The President of India, the Prime Minister of India and various ministers from the Indian Cabinet marked the International Day of Yoga today. Take a look.
The International Day of Yoga is observed every year on different themes. This year, the theme for its 10th edition is Yoga for Self and Society. People all around the world celebrated International Day of Yoga on Friday. Yoga encompasses a diverse range of techniques and philosophies aimed at achieving harmony within oneself and with the surrounding world. President of India Draupadi Murmu performed yoga to mark the special day at India's Rashtrapati Bhavan. Joined by other participants in a series of yoga postures and breathing exercises, President Murmu underscored importance of yoga as part of India's cultural heritage and its relevance in contemporary life. Meanwhile, more than 4,000 people from all walks of life performed yoga along with India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi as he led the nation on the International Day of Yoga on Friday. Prime Minister Modi was in Srinagar to mark this special day. He performed yoga on the banks of Dal Lake and addressed the yoga enthusiasts present there and said that
योग केवल एक विद्या नहीं है, बल्कि एक विज्ञान भी है। आज सूचना क्रांति के इस दौर में हर ओर सूचना संसाधनों की बाढ़ है। ऐसे में मानव मस्तिष्क के लिए एक विषय पर फोकस कर पाना एक बड़ी चुनौती साबित हो रहा है। इसका भी निदान हमें योग से मिलता है। हम जानते हैं एकाग्रता मानव मन की सबसे बड़ी ताकत है। योग ध्यान के जरिए हमारा ये सामर्थ्य भी निखरता है।
Prime Minister Modi greeted the participants at the Sher-e-Kashmir International Conference Centre in Srinagar in India's Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. He also clicked selfies with the yoga enthusiasts present at the occasion. Leaders and prominent personalities from all across the nation united to celebrate the age-old discipline of yoga on the 10th International Yoga Day. India's Information and Broadcasting Minister Ashwini Vaishnav participated in a yoga session in New Delhi. Union Home Minister Amit Shah performed yoga in the Western Indian state of Gujarat's Ahmedabad. Various ministers observed the International Day of Yoga, including External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar, Union Ministers Suresh Gopi in Kerala's Kovalam, Raja Mohan Naidu, Giriraj Singh, along with former Speaker of India's lower house Om Birla, practiced yoga during the International Day of Yoga celebrations. Yoga is not merely a physical exercise but a holistic practice that integrates the body, mind and the soul. Officials at the helm of affairs, along with people across the globe, observed the International Day of Yoga to emphasize the importance of this ancient practice. With inputs from Jessica Taneja from Jammu and Kashmir, Antara Sinha for DD India.